Hello, my wonderful, sexy, Lexy babes. If you are interested in learning how to make these beautiful lip scrubs, then keep on watching. To begin, you're going to need a bag of sugar. You can use any sugar that you desire. I got mine from Walmart. Now, here's when the measurements come in. We're going to use 1/2 cup of sugar. Now you're going to go ahead and pour 1/2 cup of sugar in each plastic bowl. Now mind you, I'm only using 1/2 cup of sugar because I'm only using 5 containers per jar. If you want to use more sugar for more containers, be my guest. So here I added a little bit more sugar in each bowl just because I wanted to have more than enough instead of not having enough at all. Now I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of coconut oil in each bowl, and later on in the video you're going to see me add a little bit more vitamin E oil just because as you mix it you start to see the consistency more, and I felt like it needed a little bit more oil. Here are the 2 pigments that I'm going to mix to make a nice pineapple color. The beautiful pink powder that I'm going to use to make my strawberry kiwi lip scrub, and I also will be using the strawberry kiwi lip flavoring oil. Last but not least, here is our green pigment powder that we're going to be using for our lime lip scrub. Now go ahead and mix all of that together until you feel like you have the perfect consistency. So since I added vitamin E oil in the pineapple lip scrub, I'm going to go ahead and add some in the strawberry kiwi and the lime one as well. After I got done mixing each lip scrub, this is how they turned out. So here are the containers that I was referring to earlier. They are a nice size, and I will have the link in the description where I got them from. These were super easy and super fun to make, and I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and always support Black businesses.